Good afternoon. So now we will continue the chapters that is the trigonometry. So I gave in the first lectures basic introduction about the trigonometry. So now this is the right angle triangle. This angle is a 90 degree. This angle is a theta degree. These are the vertices of the triangles. I told the opposite side of the 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. If I am considering this angle theta, opposite side of the angle theta is known as perpendicular and remaining side is a base. So in a right angle triangle there is one relation which is derived by Pythagoras, that is known as Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem tells hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So in a trigonometry, initially we talk about sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratio in which I found that these are the reciprocal to each other. So further, you know this formula hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. And I also told what is the relations, like perpendicular by hypotenuse is known as sin theta, base by hypotenuse is known as cos theta, perpendicular by base is known as tan theta. If you find the reciprocal, so hypotenuse by perpendicular is known as cosec theta and hypotenuse by base is known as sec theta and base by perpendicular is known as cot theta. So by using these three formula, we will derive some identity. So you know this formula, h square is equal to perpendicular square per base square. If you divide, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. If both sides is divided by hypotenuse square, so this is the equation first. If the equation first is divided by h square, so equation first divided by h square, so you will get the relation hypotenuse square divided by hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square divided by hypotenuse square plus base square divided by hypotenuse square. Both are same thing, h square divided by h square, you will get 1. Same number divided by same number, you will get 1. Now this is the perpendicular square by hypotenuse square. So you can write perpendicular by hypotenuse whole of square. You can write base by hypotenuse whole of square. And look at in this formula, perpendicular by hypotenuse is known as sin theta. So in the place of perpendicular by hypotenuse, you can put as a sin theta. So 1 is equal to sin theta whole of square. Similarly, base by hypotenuse is known as cos theta. So in the place of base by hypotenuse, you can put cos theta. So this is a cos theta whole of square. After that, you will get the relation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is an identity that we use in trigonometry. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How this came? You know this formula, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square per base square. Divide the both sided, means divide the left hand side and RHS by h square. So you will get hypotenuse square divided by hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square divided by hypotenuse square plus base square divided by hypotenuse square. Perpendicular square by hypotenuse square you can write p by h whole of square. This you can write b by h whole of square. P by h means you know sin theta. So in the place of p by h you can put sin theta. So this is sin square theta, this is cos square theta, this is equal to 1. So you get one identity, that is a sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that you will get two other formulas. These other formulas that sin square theta is equal to, this is cos square theta, you transpose that, so you will get 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If you wanted to find the value of cos square theta, so you will get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So these are three formulas which is based on the relation between sin theta and cos theta. What are the three formulas? Three formulas are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so we will solve next identity. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular by base square. Again use the same identity. H square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now you transpose the perpendicular square in the left hand side, so you will get hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square, and remaining is a base square. You know this formula, this is tells the Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square by base square. I told transpose the perpendicular square into left hand side. So you will get hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is equal to base square. Now this is the equation second. This is the equation first. Now divide the equation second by base square. If you divide the equation second by base square, so you will get the relation h square minus p square divided by b square is equal to b square divided by b square. After that you can write individually h square divided by b square minus p square divided by b square is equal to b square divided by b square. B square 1. Now h by b. Now look at in this figure. H by b. H by b is known as sec theta. So in the place of h by b you can put sec theta. So you will write sec square theta, because there is a square term also. You can write sec square theta minus p by b means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is known as tan theta. So in the place of this terms you can write tan theta. So this is a tan square theta and this is a 1. So you get another relation, that is a sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this identity you will get two more formulas, that is, if you wanted to find the value of sec square theta, so you can write sec square theta. If you find this tan square theta another side, this is the negative sign, it becomes positive, so 1 plus tan square theta. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From there you can, if you wanted to find the value of tan square theta, so you will get sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So these are the two more formulas based on this identity. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. And you know the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now in this last term, take the base square into left hand side, so you will get hypotenuse square is equal to base square equal to perpendicular square. This is the equation first and this is the equation second. Now divide the equation second by perpendicular square, so you will get equation 2 divided by perpendicular square. So you will get the relation h square divided by perpendicular square minus base square divided by perpendicular square is equal to perpendicular square divided by perpendicular square. Both are same, so you will get 1. H by P means hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular is known as cosec theta. So in these terms you can put cosec theta. So you will get cosec square theta. In the place of B by P, B by P means cot theta. So you can put cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is the one formula came. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Then you can derive more two formulas. Cosec square theta, take this cot square theta another side, so you will get 1 plus cot square theta. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. If you want to find the value of cot square theta, so take 1 in the left hand side, so you will get cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the 6 trigonometric identity. First one is a sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are the 3 identity from where you will get the 2 more relations. So what are the 2 more relations? These are the relations. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so we will solve some question based on these concept. These formulas are very important because they are playing so much important role in the trigonometry. I think you know the Pythagoras theorem completely. In the Pythagoras theorem we use 3 sides. 3 sides are hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. So in a trigonometry, you also know that there is a term Pythagorean triplet. What is the means of triplet and what is the use of triplet? So just like you are giving so many competitive entrance, what happens in the competitive entrance? They use basically some pattern of the Pythagorean triplet. If you remember this pattern, you no need to apply the Pythagorean every time. Just you know this 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 means this is the 90-degree angles. So 90 degree is the largest angle in the right angle triangle. So opposite side of the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle. So similarly, these are the 3 sides. In the 3 sides, whatever the side will be highest, that will be hypotenuse. So how to know that this is the right angle triangle? These are the sides of the right angle triangle. So the sum of the remaining 2 sides, except the largest side, sum of the square of the 2 sides except the larger side is equal to the square of the larger side, so they are forming the right angle triangle. So I told this is a larger side, so largest side is square. Largest side square will be equal to the square of the sum remaining 2 sides. So 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 25 and 25 is equal to 25. Means these 3, 4, 5 are the side which is forming the Pythagorean triplet. So what is the use? Use of this Pythagorean triplet is that if you know the 3 and 4, so you know, remember that if the 2 sides are given 3 and 4, so you know that 4, 5 is missing. Just like I write the one question, sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. So you know sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle, we use 3 sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is given. So 4 and 5. So what is the side? What is the missing side? Missing side is a 3. If you don't know this Pythagorean triplet, you will apply the Pythagoras theorem. It will take so much time. If you remember the Pythagorean triplet, it will take 1 minute, 1 second only. You remember 4 and 5 is there, 3 is the missing. So 3 will be base. So you will write base is equal to 3. Otherwise, if you don't know the Pythagorean triplet, it will take time to find the Pythagoras. By applying the Pythagoras, you definitely will get, but it will take so much time. So base is 3. Now, if I am telling find the cos theta, so you know cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is a 3 and hypotenuse is a 5. Answer that is cos theta. If you wanted to find tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? 4. What is the base? 3. So tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So this is the very important things to remember this Pythagorean triplet. So there are so many Pythagorean triplets, but in a education industry, just like only 10 Pythagorean triplet basically we are using. So what are the 10 Pythagorean triplets that we are going to remember? First one is a 3, 4, 5. So the largest side will be always hypotenuse and remaining two sides can be perpendicular base. There is no definite condition for that. But this largest side always will be hypotenuse. Now next one is 5, 8, 17. 3, 4, 5. 5, 12, 13. This is the second Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. How to know that this is forming right angle triangles or not? So which one is the largest side? 13 is the largest side. So I told square of the largest side will be the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Remaining two sides are 5. So 5 square, 25. And this is the remaining side, 12 square. So 13 square is a 169. 5 square is a 25 and 12 square is a 144. If you will add 25 plus 144, you will get 169. So 169 is equal to 169. Now both sides are equal. If both sides are equal, so these three sides are forming the right angle triangle. So this is also a type of Pythagorean triplet. So 5, 12, 13. This is a Pythagorean triplet. So first one is a 3, 4, 5. Second one is a 5, 12, 13. Next one is a 7, 24 and 25. 7, 24, 25. 25 square is a 625 because this one is the largest side. Remaining two sides are 24 square is a 576 and 7 square is a 49. If you will add, you will get 625. So 625 is equal to 625. So this also forming right Pythagorean triplet. Now we will solve one numerical based on this Pythagorean triplet. Let us. It is given tan theta is equal to 7 by 24. And they are asking find the value of sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. It is given to you tan theta is equal to 7 by 24 and find the remaining all trigonometric ratio. So you know tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Now what is the missing? Missing side is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the missing side and you know 7, 24 and 25. So 25 side is the missing and hypotenuse also missing. So hypotenuse will be 25. Otherwise, you apply the Pythagorean triplet, it will take so much time. How you will get this? If you don't remember this one, it will take so much time. You know this one. Perpendicular square is equal to base square, hypotenuse square. Perpendicular is given to you 7. 7 square, 49. B is given 24. 24 square, 576. After that, you will get 625. Then you have to take a square root. So it will take so much time. If you remember these all values, it will take little time to solve this big questions. So you get hypotenuse is equal to 25. Now, if you want to find the value of sin theta is equal to you know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is a 7, hypotenuse is a 25. So this is the value of sin theta. So sin theta is equal to 7 by 25. If you want to find the value of cos theta, so cos theta is equal to formula you know base by hypotenuse. Base is the 24 and hypotenuse is the 25. If you want to find the value of cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta I told. This is the 7 by 25. So cosec theta will be 25 by 7. So this is the very important role these Pythagorean triplets are playing. So first one Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4, 5. Second one is a 5, 12, 13. Next one is a 7, 24, 25. Next Pythagorean triplet is 8, 15 and 17. So 17 is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to 2, 17 square is equal to sum of the remaining square of the remaining sides. So 8 square plus 15 square. So 17 square 289, 8 square 664 and 15 square 225. If you will add, you will get 289. So 289 is equal to 289. These two sides are equal. So this is also another type of Pythagorean triplet. Now next one Next Pythagorean triplet is 9, 40, 41. This is the next Pythagorean triplet. So 41 square. This one is the largest side. So largest side square is equal to square of the remaining two sides. So 9 square plus 40 square. 9 square 81. 40 square 1600. 16 plus 1681. And this is also 1681. So these this is also a Pythagorean triplet. 9, 40, 41. Now next one, 10, 24 and 26. 10, 24, 26. 26 square is 676. 24 square is 576 and 10 square is 100. If you will add, you will get 676 is equal to 676. So this is also another type of Pythagorean triplet. Now next one, 11, 60, 61. This is also another type of Pythagorean triplet. 12, 35, 37. So these are the few Pythagorean triplet that I am going to utilize in some questions that you are going to solve. So let us solve the question based on these formulas. This is the question. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Question number first. Based on this Pythagorean triplet, you don't have to apply the Pythagorean triplet completely. Apply this formula what I told you. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So find the value of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is the questions. It is given to you tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 and you have to find the value of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. You know tan theta means perpendicular by base. So this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So now look at what is the missing side. Missing side is the hypotenuse. Now you know 3 and 4. Now go to your Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4. What is the missing side? Missing side is a 5. So 5 will be hypotenuse. So without using formula you can remember this. Hypotenuse is equal to 5. So 1 minus cos theta you require. So you need the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the base? Base is a 4 and hypotenuse is a 5. So the value of cos theta is a 4 by 5. Put that value. So 1 minus 4 by 5 divided by 1 plus 4 by 5. If you take the LCM, you will get 5 minus 4 by 5, 5 plus 4 by 5. 5 cancel, 5 minus 4 1 and 5 plus 4 9. So you get that value 1 by 9. So the question is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos. The very simple questions. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 you know. Tan theta means I told earlier classes tan theta means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular base is given. What is the missing side? Missing side is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be 5 because you remember this Pythagorean triplet. So from there I get this hypotenuse is equal to 5. Now cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base you know the base is a 4. The base is a 4 and hypotenuse is a 5. So 4 by 5. So cos theta is a 1 minus 4 by 5. This is the 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus 4 by 5. If you take the LCM, so 5 multiply 5 minus 4 divided by 5. Again 5 plus 4 9 by 5. 5 cancel. So 5 minus 4 1. So 1 by 9 is the answer. Okay. Now next question based on the concept. Next question, cosec theta is equal to 13 by 12. So find the value of 2 sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 13 by 12. So find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. This is the questions. Now look at this Pythagorean triplet. I told the Pythagorean triplet cosec theta is equal to 13 by 12. 13 by 12. Just go to this Pythagorean triplet. 13, 12. One side is missing. 13 is the hypotenuse, remaining two sides can be perpendicular and base. Now, this is the cosec theta pattern, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular. So hypotenuse is this 13 and perpendicular is this 12. So what is the remaining side? Remaining side is a 5 and that is the base. So base is equal to 5. Now 2. Sin theta is the reciprocal of cos theta we discussed earlier. The reciprocal of 13 by 12 is a 12 by 13. So in the place of sin theta you can write 12 divided by 13 minus 3. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. What is the base? Base is the 5. And what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 13. So cos theta is a 5 by 13. So in the place of cos theta you can write 5 by 13. Divided by 4. Multiply sin theta. And sin theta is the again reciprocal of cosec theta. So you can put sin theta as a 12 divided by 13. So 12 divided by 13. Minus 9. Cos theta again 5 by 3rd. If you simplify, 12 multiply 2, 24. 24 by 13 minus 3 multiply 5, 15 by 13. And this is a 48 by 13 minus 45 by 13. If you simplify, the denominator is same. 24 by 13, 15 by 13. If you subtract, you will get 9 divided by 13. And that is a 48 minus 45, 3 by 13. So 13 cancel. And this 3 times cancel. The result is a 3. So without applying this Pythagoras Theorem, we solve these forms. Okay. So we will solve in the next lectures more questions based on the C's Pythagorean triplet. Thank you.